Hello everybody and welcome back to the Financial Wolf channel. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I still have that picture of Stephan. I decided to hang it up in the background so you guys will be seeing it in my videos from now on. If you guys have no idea why I have a random picture of Stephan hanging up in my background, I made a video yesterday where I pretended to react to millennial money with him there, and I used that photo of him as clickbait. So if you guys did not see that video, I definitely recommend you check it out after this one ends. Anyways, in this video, we're going to be talking about the 3 best investments you can make as a teenager or really at any age. I hope this video gives you guys some great ideas of where you would want to put your money going into 2020. If you guys are excited for this video and all the knowledge I'm about to drop, please be sure to drop a like and also subscribe to the Financial Wolf channel if you have not already. Now guys, with that all being said, let's get into it. So the first place you should be putting your money as a teenager or at any age really is into a small business. When people come to me and they tell me that they saved $500 or $1,000 and they ask me, where should I invest my money to be able to grow it at the fastest rate? And I always tell them, you should put your money into a small business. Although this has a high risk, it also has an extremely high reward. A lot of businesses that can be started with $500 or $1,000 can generate you thousands of dollars every single month. So the return that you get from investing into a small business and putting time into starting that business is extremely substantial, and it's greater than investing into any other asset class. If you guys have the time to put up front and start your own company and you're really interested in being your own boss, I definitely recommend looking into starting your own small business going into 2020. If you guys are interested in starting your own company, but you have absolutely no idea what business you want to start, you're in luck. I have made so many videos on the Financial Wolf channel giving you guys ideas of businesses you can start that are profitable and will bring you money consistently. Some ideas that I've mentioned in these videos include starting a vending machine business, starting your own Shopify dropshipping store, starting your own eBay dropshipping store, starting your own eBay business, and starting your own YouTube channel. And guys, I have so many more ideas than just that. There are so many ways to make money for yourself, especially in 2019 and 2020. I bet you could find out 100 or 1,000 different ways that you can earn a good amount of money every single month. So guys, all in all, a great investment for you going into 2020 would be to start your own small business. The second best investment that you guys can make going into 2020 is into BitConnect. I have been making way too many BitConnect jokes lately. I've made like 3 BitConnect jokes in the past week, so I definitely need to tone it down on those. But anyways, the second best investment that you guys can make going into 2020 is into the stock market. You guys are probably thinking, well, duh, the stock market is always a good investment over a long period of time. Why would you even include it into this video? Well, the reason I wanted to include the stock market as a great investment into this video is because I want to let you guys know that even a small amount of money invested into something like an index fund can be extremely beneficial for you. Although it won't make you a tremendous amount of money, if you invest $200, the experience will be 100% worth it. My first investment was somewhere around $300, and although I didn't earn a ton of money on that $300 investment, the experience was 100% worth it for me. Ever since I invested that $300, I try to consistently put money into my stock market accounts, and this will eventually make me a good amount of money. Right now it may not be because I don't have a ton of money into my accounts, but as I'm consistently building that wealth, I will start making more and more money through stock market investing. So if you guys have no idea where to invest your money in the stock market, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys some of my recommendations right now. So the first place I would recommend putting putting your money is into an S&P 500 ETF. If you guys do not know what the S&P 500 is, it's basically a combination of America's 500 companies. So it's literally an index that tracks how well the top 500 companies are doing in the United States. So it's a really good index to follow because it basically follows the stock market. And as you know, the stock market goes up over the long term. For example, this index has gone up about 45% in the past 5 years. So it's averaged about 9% every single year over the past 5 years. Another investment that I would take a look at going into 2020 is this business AG&C. AG&C is a REIT, meaning that they own a ton of different real estate and they pay out all of their profit to shareholders. And they do this through the form of dividends. They pay a 12.27% dividend yield, meaning that you automatically get a 12.27% return on the company's share price on a yearly basis. So this is a really good company to look into. They are on a nice dip right now, so I'm definitely considering buying them myself. So I wanted to make you guys aware of this great potential investment going into 2020. But I always suggest that you guys do your own research. This is just what I'm looking at right now. So guys, all in all, investing into the stock market, even if you have a small amount of money, can be a great place to put your income going into 2020. The third place that I think all teenagers, or anyone for that matter, should be investing their money going into 2020 is into learning. And I'm not saying that you need to buy any crazy $997 courses from Tai Lopez to get some extra knowledge. But I am saying that it is important that you invest some of your money on a consistent basis into learning new things. This can be into books, this can be into just relatively cheap courses. It really doesn't matter, but if you're consistently learning new things, you'll be able to get your income up. For example, I have bought some courses on how to do SEO for your YouTube videos, and this has definitely helped me get my videos to rank higher in search. And in return, it's helped me get more views on my YouTube channel. And eventually, when my YouTube channel does get monetized, that extra views will turn into more money for myself. Some of the richest and most successful people in the world spend a great portion of their day learning new things and reading books. For example, the billionaire investor Warren Buffett says he spends like 8 hours every single day reading books and learning new things. I'm not saying that you need to read a crazy amount of time like that, but I am saying that you should be at least focused on putting some of your money into learning new things going into 2020. Okay guys, with that all being said, I think that about wraps it up for today's video. I hope this video brought you guys a ton of value. If it did, please be sure to drop a like and let me know in the comment section down below. Anyways guys, if you made it to the end, thank you so much and peace out.